Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Beth and today we're going to do an unboxing, or in this case, an unbagging. A company reached out to me called OneDaySaving, and I remember seeing some things from a few months ago of other YouTubers doing unboxings from them, and I thought, okay, I'll listen to their pitch. And they wanted to send me a free product in exchange for doing a YouTube video on the unboxing. Pretty much a straightforward type of exchange. So I looked at their website. I looked at what they had. They have some really good prices. I was going to say not a huge variety of things, but that's not true. They have 3 categories of things. They have the diamond paintings, they have the cross stitching, and they have paint by numbers. But each in those categories, lots and lots of stuff. Really, really good variety of things. And I thought I would try out some cross stitch because, I don't know, maybe 3-6 months ago, I was thinking, I'd kind of like to try that. I haven't done that since I was a kid. But I was afraid because of my eyesight, I wouldn't be able to thread the needles or this or that. And I kind of just ended up going, you need too many of the things. So I decided not to. But when they offered this, I thought, this is a good opportunity to try it out. And it's no cost. So, hey, I'm okay with that. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Okay. I did cut this open, but I haven't actually looked at anything yet. Look at all that thread. That is a lot of thread. That was another thing that I was thinking when I was thinking about trying this. The amount of money you would have to put out just to start something like this, I didn't really want to do. And this kit looks like a really good little deal. I get the thread I need without having to put out a lot of money. And it looks like we have a whole bunch of needles and a little puff ball to hold them, seam ripper, thimble. Oh, looks like a little what do you call it, thingy to help you thread the needle. That's good if it works. And I don't know what you call it, to roll your thread. So that's more than I was expecting. This little thimble thingy, really cheap, but hey, they all are. All right, let's take a look. This is the picture I chose. That's not a very good representation of it. Gives you the instructions on how to do it. I'll have that print is pretty small. I'll have to keep a close eye on that. It gives you your key. You look up. When I was doing cross stitch, we didn't have any kits like this. You just did it, right? You would have a piece of felt like this, and you would draw on there and then do it. So this is going to be a really new experience for me, and it's pretty big, which is probably just as well. So yeah. Oh, there's the kitty. Okay, I see. Yeah, that's going to be fun. It's going to be a new experience, and I am going to enjoy this. So I'll just set this aside rather than putting it back in the bag right now. Lots of noise. And I did get one other thing. And I got this one because it was smaller. And I wanted, before I went into the really big one, I wanted to try it out with a smaller one just to see if I could, in fact, do it. Yeah, this looks much more manageable. We have the instructions on the back telling you how to do it, how to make the stitches, which was better here than it was in the other one. It's bigger enough, easier to read. Okay, telling you its keys, and here is a very tiny little picture. Would have been better if it was this size, but okay. This is a good starter one to figure out if I can even do it. I like that. And it's such a cute little picture. Okay, this one gives you just a couple of needles, and that's it. And hopefully enough thread to get the job done. So, there we go. And that is One Day Savings. Looks like a pretty good website. And there you go. That's it. So, if you want to see me actually do this cross stitching, leave a comment and I will try and show you how I'm doing. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.